The Necchi EX60 comes with 60 built-in stitches. The stitch guide folds down when not in use. This machine has large buttons. Selecting stitches is easy. Just press the number of the stitch you'd like. Switch to another stitch very simply, for 2. Or you can use the arrows, down or up. Here are the length and width buttons. There's also a memory button to record your favorite stitches. There's also a safety lock button. Now the machine is in safe mode. The Necchi EX60 also comes with this handy magnifier. You can move it out of the way when not in use. You can also use the start-stop button in lieu of the pedal. This machine also has a slider speed control. You can go from 60 stitches per minute up to 1,000. It also has a needle up-down button and a built-in thread cutter. Adjusting the presser foot pressure is easy. Just slide the dial up or down to increase or decrease the pressure on your presser foot. This is helpful when using bulk materials, several layers of fabric, or silky, slippery fabrics. Winding the bobbin is easy. Slide the bobbin over. Now we're in bobbin mode, and press the start button. On the easy-to-navigate keyboard, we have our 10 most used buttons right here, and 4 buttonholes. It also comes with a knee lift. The door on the side opens for easy cleaning. Here's a straight stitch. And now a zigzag. Beautiful stitches. You know you're using the right foot by checking here. A for A foot, and 1 for the first stitch. Now we'll change to 55 and see we need the F foot. Switch to a buttonhole and we need the R foot. The Necchi EX60 comes with a hard case, a travel table, the knee lift, and several feet. Come test drive it today.